What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in and Not Your Father's Capital. And today I want to give you guys a quick video update on what is going on with the ongoing lawsuit, the pending lawsuit surrounding Ripple and the SEC. Okay, so we're getting into some remarks by the lawyer in charge of the lawsuit, as well as we're going to talk a little bit about what is going on with that timeline and what you can expect with the price action moving forward as we await the decision coming from the Supreme Court. Okay, so we're going to get into that. Let's take a quick look into the chart, but first, hit that subscribe button, join the channel. We would love to have you part of the team here, and let's get down into it. All right, so if we take a quick look at XRP, okay, on the day, up 2.1%, okay? So when we talk about what is going on with the broader crypto markets, last week was basically a sell-off when we got some people exiting some positions, some call positions surrounding Bitcoin, basically causing a trip into the red for the broader market, especially in the top 100, guys. You can see the red numbers here as we look at some of the favorites that we cover on this channel. But XRP up 2.2%, so greatly kind of being conversely trading to that narrative, but still trading at that 37 cents level, okay? So when we talk about what XRP has been undergoing, we're talking about that fall off from April in 2022, where we have since retreated from that 80 cents level down to around the 35 range, okay? So this has basically been some sideways action since we have since fallen since the start of this pending lawsuit, okay? So you can pretty much piece together the facts in this discussion. The price action surrounding XRP is basically have just since been retreated due to the pending lawsuit. So you can basically piece together the impact if we could get a landmark legislative ruling in favor of Ripple, okay? That would dramatically change the narrative when we talk about the overall crypto landscape as we look for more precedent, as well as getting some certainty and clarity with the commodity versus security battle, okay? So I think at this current time, the dragging out of the lawsuit is kind of overshadowing the fact of how monumental a decision and the precedent being set by that decision is for the overall state of crypto. Okay, so as seen here, for those of you guys that are not aware, John Deaton is the attorney that is representing Ripple in this ongoing lawsuit. Okay, and basically stating for the reason why he is covering this case and representing 75,000 XRP holders is because Ripple can afford to drag out an appeal by basically just selling XRP, okay, while this appeal is on and on and on, okay? XRP holders such as myself and developers basically are not in the same position as Ripple. So John Deaton is essentially being doing this basically for the people, not necessarily for Ripple in its own entity. All right, so that is just basically what some background on the lawyer that is covering this, but he's basically stating, coming out here, that there is no clear timeline for when Judge Torres will give her ruling when it relates to the ongoing trial, okay? So, but also he wants to be clear by saying that this case could go 2 months or even longer, okay? So once again, another timeline drug out. So the 2 months is kind of where we're at. We've already established that they are looking to come up with a decision basically in the first half of 2023. I have always heard the end of Q1 was what we were looking to into the springtime, early summer. But basically when we talk about this ruling, essentially it can continue to be drug out. So if you're holding XRP, you're in that holding pattern, such as myself, we are just awaiting clarity, all right? And quite possibly, you know, we may not get that for a while, okay, because there's basically no timeline, but the Ripple executives do believe it will come in the first year. So can't really take what you hear on the news for anything other than just restating the facts when we talk about what the executives and the people close to the situation and inside the courtroom are actually coming up with. Okay, so that is basically all I got for you guys. So stay tuned for more content updates along the way surrounding the lawsuit, as well as all of your favorite cryptos on Not Your Father's Capital. But thanks again for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you all in the next video.